Loving treats, how to make your Valentine's Day sweeter with healthy and delicious recipes. Valentine's Day is a time for indulgence and romance, but that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice your healthy eating habits. In fact, finding ways to enjoy delicious treats without compromising your health can be a great way to celebrate this special day. One way to do this is to seek out healthy Valentine's Day dessert recipes. These recipes can provide you with all the sweetness and decadence you crave, without the guilt or negative impact on your health. By incorporating nutritious ingredients like fruits, nuts, and whole grains, you can create desserts that are not only delicious, but also good for you. The importance of healthy treats on Valentine's Day goes beyond just avoiding excess calories or sugar. It's about showing yourself and your loved ones that you care about their well-being and want to celebrate in a way that supports a healthy lifestyle. By choosing to make or enjoy healthier desserts, you are sending a powerful message about the value of health and self-care. The power of chocolate. Valentine's Day is a time to celebrate love, and what better way to do that than with delicious, healthy Valentine's Day dessert recipes. One ingredient that is often associated with love and indulgence is chocolate. But did you know that chocolate, especially dark chocolate, can actually be a healthy treat? When consumed in moderation, dark chocolate is packed with antioxidants that can help lower blood pressure and improve heart health. It also contains fiber, iron, and magnesium, making it a guilt-free option for a Valentine's Day dessert. You can incorporate dark chocolate into your healthy Valentine's Day dessert recipes by making a decadent chocolate mousse, a rich chocolate fondue, or even chocolate-dipped strawberries. In addition to its health benefits, chocolate is also known for its mood-boosting properties. It contains compounds that can stimulate the production of endorphins and serotonin in the brain, which can help lift your spirits and make you feel more relaxed and content. This makes it the perfect ingredient for a romantic Valentine's Day dessert that will bring joy and happiness to you and your loved one. Decadent desserts made healthy. Indulging in delicious desserts doesn't have to derail your healthy eating habits, especially when it comes to Valentine's Day. With the abundance of decadent dessert recipes available, it's easy to find options that are both mouth-watering and nutritious. For those looking to treat themselves and their loved ones to something sweet without sacrificing their commitment to health, there are plenty of healthy Valentine's Day dessert recipes to choose from. When it comes to making decadent desserts healthy, one popular approach is to use alternative ingredients that are lower in sugar and higher in nutrients. For example, using almond flour or coconut flour instead of traditional white flour can add a dose of healthy fats and fiber, while also reducing the overall carbohydrate content. Additionally, using natural sweeteners like maple syrup, honey, or dates can provide the sweetness without the negative effects of refined sugar. Another key element in creating healthy desserts is incorporating plenty of fresh fruits. Fruits like berries, apples, and citrus fruits not only lend natural sweetness to desserts but also provide a myriad of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Whether it's a berry parfait, apple crisp, or citrus-infused chia pudding, incorporating fruits into desserts is a surefire way to boost their nutritional value. If you want to make healthy Valentine's Day dessert recipes, the Renfo Calibra 1 Smart Nutrition Scale can be a useful tool to help you control your portions, balance your macros, and avoid overeating. You can use it to weigh your ingredients, scan the barcode of packaged foods, or search the database of over 100,000 foods. You can also create your own recipes and save them in the app for future reference. Healthy Valentine's Day dessert recipes. Valentine's Day is a time to celebrate love and romance with your partner, but it doesn't have to be a day of indulging in unhealthy and sugary treats. You can still enjoy some delicious desserts and snacks that are good for your health and your heart. Here are some ideas for healthy and tasty recipes that you can make for your Valentine's Day. Chocolate-dipped strawberries. Nothing says Valentine's Day like chocolate and strawberries, but you can make this classic treat healthier by using dark chocolate and fresh strawberries. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants and flavonoids, which can lower blood pressure and cholesterol, and improve blood flow to the brain and heart. Strawberries are also packed with vitamin C, fiber, and phytochemicals, which can protect against inflammation and oxidative stress. To make this recipe, you will need 1 pound of fresh strawberries, washed and dried. 8 ounces of dark chocolate, chopped. 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and set aside. In a microwave-safe bowl, combine the chocolate and coconut oil. Microwave for 30 seconds, then stir. Repeat until the chocolate is melted and smooth. Dip each strawberry in the chocolate, shaking off the excess, and place on the prepared baking sheet. Refrigerate until the chocolate is set, about 15 minutes. Enjoy with your partner or store in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Heart-shaped whole wheat pancakes. Start your Valentine's Day with a hearty and healthy breakfast of whole wheat pancakes. Whole wheat flour is a good source of complex carbohydrates, fiber, and B vitamins, which can provide you with energy and support your metabolism. You can also add some fruits, nuts, or seeds to your pancake batter for extra nutrition and flavor. To make this recipe, you will need 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, lightly beaten, 1/2 cups of low-fat milk, 1/4 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Cooking spray. A heart-shaped cookie cutter optional. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. In a medium bowl, whisk together the eggs, milk, honey, and oil. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. Do not overmix. Heat a griddle or skillet over medium-high heat and lightly coat with cooking spray. Drop about 1/4 cup of batter onto the griddle and cook for 2 minutes, or until bubbles form on the surface. Flip and cook for another minute, or until golden brown. Repeat with the remaining batter, adding more cooking spray as needed. If desired, use a heart-shaped cookie cutter to cut out shapes from the pancakes. Serve with your favorite toppings, such as fresh berries, maple syrup, yogurt, or nut butter. No-bake peanut butter oat bars. If you're looking for a quick and easy snack that you can make ahead and enjoy throughout the day, try these no-bake peanut butter oat bars. They are made with wholesome ingredients like oats, peanut butter, honey, and dried cranberries, which can provide you with protein, fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants. They are also gluten-free and vegan-friendly, and you can customize them with your favorite nuts, seeds, or chocolate chips. To make this recipe, you will need 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1/2 cup of honey, 3 cups of rolled oats, 1/2 cup of dried cranberries, 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts optional. Line an 8x8-inch baking pan with parchment paper and set aside. In a small saucepan over low heat, stir together the peanut butter and honey until smooth and melted. In a large bowl, toss together the oats, cranberries, and walnuts if using. Pour the peanut butter mixture over the oat mixture and stir well to combine. Transfer the mixture to the prepared pan and press firmly and evenly into a compact layer. Refrigerate until firm, about 2 hours. Cut into bars and enjoy with your partner or store in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to a week. Banana bread muffins. These banana bread muffins are moist, fluffy, and naturally sweetened with ripe bananas and honey. They are also easy to make and can be enjoyed for breakfast or as a snack. Bananas are a good source of potassium, vitamin B6, and fiber, which can help regulate blood pressure, support nerve and muscle function, and promote digestive health. To make this recipe, you will need 3 ripe bananas, mashed, 1/4 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 egg, lightly beaten, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 cups of whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of mini chocolate chips optional. Preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a 12-cup muffin tin with paper liners. In a large bowl, whisk together the bananas, honey, oil, egg, and vanilla. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and stir until just combined. Fold in the chocolate chips if using. Divide the batter evenly among the prepared muffin cups, filling them about 3/4 full. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Let the muffins cool slightly in the pan, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy with your partner or store in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. Roasted vegetable salad. This roasted vegetable salad is a colorful and nutritious dish that can be served as a main course or a side dish. It features a variety of vegetables, such as sweet potatoes, carrots, broccoli, and cauliflower, that are roasted until tender and caramelized, then tossed with a tangy lemon dressing and fresh herbs. Roasting vegetables brings out their natural sweetness and flavor, and also enhances their antioxidant and phytochemical content. To make this recipe, you will need 2 medium sweet potatoes, peeled and cut into 1-inch cubes. 4 medium carrots, peeled and cut into 1-inch pieces. 4 cups of broccoli florets. 4 cups of cauliflower florets. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. 1/4 cup of lemon juice. 2 tablespoons of honey. 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. 1/4 cup of chopped parsley. 2 tablespoons of chopped mint. Preheat oven to 200 degrees Celsius 400 degrees Fahrenheit and line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. In a large bowl, toss the sweet potatoes and carrots with 1 tablespoon of oil, salt, and pepper. Spread them in an even layer on one of the prepared baking sheets. In the same bowl, toss the broccoli and cauliflower with the remaining oil, salt, and pepper. Spread them in an even layer on the other prepared baking sheet. Roast the vegetables for 25 to 30 minutes, or until golden and fork tender, flipping halfway through. In a small bowl, whisk together the lemon juice, honey, and mustard. In a large serving bowl, toss the roasted vegetables with the dressing and the herbs. Enjoy with your partner or store in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Raspberry cheesecake bites. These raspberry cheesecake bites are a decadent and delicious dessert that you can make in advance and enjoy anytime. They are made with a creamy cheesecake filling, fresh raspberries, and a crunchy graham cracker crust. They are also bite-sized and easy to eat, making them perfect for sharing with your partner. Raspberries are a good source of vitamin C, manganese, and fiber, which can boost your immune system, support bone health, and lower cholesterol. To make this recipe, you will need 1/4 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 8 ounces of cream cheese, softened, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of fresh raspberries. Line a 9x9-inch baking pan with parchment paper and set aside. In a medium bowl, stir together the graham cracker crumbs, butter, and sugar. Press the mixture firmly and evenly into the bottom of the prepared pan. In a large bowl, beat the cream cheese with an electric mixer until smooth and fluffy. Add the powdered sugar, sour cream, and vanilla and beat until well combined. Spoon the cream cheese mixture over the crust and spread it evenly. Refrigerate until firm, about 2 hours. Cut into 36 squares and top each one with a raspberry. Enjoy with your partner or store in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days.